Hey everybody, today I'm going to show you guys some ideas of what you can do if you accidentally ruin your art while you're making it, or like after you have it finished you're like, this is garbage, I don't like it. So the first part of the video will just be me making this art because I intended this art to be what I wanted it to be and I didn't intend for me to mess it up, but in the end I did. I'll have timestamps up here so that you can skip around to whatever part of the video you want to see, but for now you will just see me making the art like I originally intended to, and then I will pop back in when I ruined the art so that I can tell you what happened. So now I'm back, and you know that this is when this art gets ruined. It was honestly so cute, and I loved it, and it was great, and I was so excited for it. But then I decided to use this paint marker for the first time because I was reviewing this paint marker, and it ended up being way too thick, and it was too late when I realized, and I was like, I can just power through and do this, and then I realized that I ruined it and made it look terrible, and I hate that. So now I'm gonna show you guys what I did to fix it. I would have just painted over it or thrown it away, but I am obsessed with the background, and that is why I kept this art, is just because the background was like my favorite thing ever. I lost the footage, but I just painted the entire cat black because it was such a mess that I was like, I'm just gonna cover this and then go over it with something. So I painted the whole thing black, and now I'm just adding on some neon dots.